Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Geek Fam. Today, Trevor will be driving his RC car. We'll mess around a little bit and we'll see what happens. So I have my RC car right here. I wish I could drive it, but unfortunately I can't because I was trying to make the antenna smaller so I didn't have to poke it through the hole in the body cover, which you can do. Trevor did it, and the only problem that it may have is it'll affect the range that your controller will have. Like, you can't drive as far away from you. So I did that, and I screwed up a little bit, and I completely broke the thing off. So I need to buy a new one of those and fix it. But I'll do that sometime. But another problem I had was I was trying to get through this hole right here, which you have to do. And I couldn't do that without putting it through. There's something in there. So I did that, and then I screwed all of the stuff back on, and it came out. So yeah. So here's Trevor's car now. Here's another good example of why I wanted my antenna shorter. So the antenna usually pops up through here, about like that high. And since his is shorter, he can put this mount on here, which really isn't made for this, but it worked out really well. So it's on the top of his car now. Kirsten said she's going to grab her car, so we'll have 2 cars now. Should have had 3, but we're gonna have 2.
Yeah, Kirsten's driving now.
We'll hit the job for him.
Alright. It's all good. Good. I think you're good. I guess with a different weight, I can't do that. Oh. Ready? To move.
Let me help you. Wait, what? I almost got taken out. Kirsten was coming right for you. Alright, get a little closer this time. Okay, try this again. Get closer. Something just fell off. Can I try driving your car?
You wanna try it? There you go. Alright, got full speed right now. Get it. Go. Change the angle. You're gonna do the front and follow?
your car not going? Yeah, Trevor, I think your battery's going dead.
What? Look at me, look at me, look at me.
I need to get a close-up. So you get full speed. So Kirsten just totally ran into her foot.
Driver.
That's embarrassing. Yeah, go full speed right by me. Oh yeah. Should we head back to the track now, Trev?
Track. Sure.
All right, we're going back to the track. If you're wondering why that guy's name is RB,
He's found
Watch
Arby's
the-
parking lot.
yeah, he was in the Arby's parking lot, so
Way back from vacation, watch that.
yeah, go watch
Day
those
we haven't
videos.
been waiting for. That's the
Yeah, go watch those videos, please. And share them, like them.
Share them.
Should be up in that corner
I
somewhere.
mean, some of
Yeah.
them might be already.
If I'm good enough.
You never know.
If he's good enough, it'll be up in the corner.
Okay, let's go on the track.
I just thought we should bring this back too. Trevor's fine handiwork, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about myself?
But if you think this is good, go watch, it's a YouTube short. DIY guitar stand. I built that all by myself for my guitar. Actually, it's my dad's guitar, but he doesn't know how to play it, so. Yeah.
And if you want something even better, you watch 3D printing videos.
Oh yeah, 3D printing videos. Made those all for my friends. I'm putting the jump right here, cause if you don't want to hit it, you don't have to. You can just go right around it.
I'm gonna try right behind me.
Give me a ka-chow, Trevor.
Good chow? Or is it the other way?
I don't know, it's ka-chow.
Stop one off, man. He's still on. Let's make him fall off.
So gnarly. Rip. Give me some donuts. I know that dirt hurts. Wait, no, dirt don't hurt. Or God made dirt, dirt don't hurt.
Come on.
Head-on collision?
Oh.
Hey, I want somebody to go to the moon. Tumble wumble. Ouch. Pinned him. Anyway, so if you can't tell, no offense to Kirsten, but Trevor has definitely been driving a little bit longer than her.
That's not a fact.
I don't know what that word is, or what that.
That's not.
That's not an offense.
But she has been pretty good because she kept that Arby thing on the back, which is pretty impressive.
He's bad. I mean, she's not whipping the tail around.
Yeah.
Good.
I want to see some bashing.
Boring.
For the date. Look at those holes. Usually they're bigger, but it's wet outside, so yeah. Wait,
We'll continue this
let's have a drift competition.
Oh.
Ooh, it holds me up.
Yeah.
Ow.
Well, the only reason
Okay, Trevor.
I made that because we were using a cornhole set from the dollar store,
Oh yeah, here's a cornhole.
and that it'd snap because it folded in the middle.
Yeah,
So
I
it'd
was,
snap in half, and then you can use it.
yeah. So we broke a cornhole. It was bad. It was cheap, but it's still very good. Okay, go, Trev. Yeah, that was really bad on your part. Oh. Now that was a bash.
You're supposed to go all the way around.
Did she break it? Oh, she broke your body a little.
That was probably there before.
Yeah, we should buy
I mean,
new body.
look at that.
Okay, back to the drift competitions. Trevor, what's with you today? Usually Trevor just glides
Hey, my turn.
all the way across and then just goes in the pack. But today he's just not right. Where'd he go, Kirsten? All right, there's Kirsten's. It's pretty good. She didn't make it all the way around, but it was still pretty good drift.
You're not supposed to go all the way around.
Yeah, you're supposed to go around the corner.
Who said that?
You're gassing it too much.
Alright.
And I think it's because the track is not as dry as it normally is, which does make it harder.
And I'm under pressure.
Okay, Kirsten's going.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, good.
Let's try this. Kirsten, you got it. Kirsten.
I really just wish I had my car right now.
Yeah, Peter broke his own cat.
That was better. That was better. Still not as good as normal, but we'll go with that. Seriously? Oh, look at him. He fell off the back.
It was sitting right here. Like
Okay, well, that's it for that video. Let us know if you like that, if that was entertaining or not. Then we'll make more. But thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And roll into the cool intro that we have at every end of every video.
outro, not
Outro. So I know we just did an outro, but Trevor came up with a brilliant idea that'll send you into like the words and then the get the bell on, you know. Watch the end. If you never watch the end of the videos, then you won't know. But okay, go.
Alright. Look what's on my hand. Get that bell on.